So next step.
Okay.
This is the Bliss Kiss Ultimate Nail Care Routine. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the intensive hydration treatments and walk you through what that process looks like. So in the very beginning, we want everybody to do an intensive nail hydration. So Anna, will you narrate for everyone what I'm doing as I'm doing it? Because I'm going to do one right now.
All right. So you're going to get your pen started. This is the only time that I'm going to actually ask you to put on a lot of oil. Usually people put on too much and I'm like, stop it. This is the time where you really want to flood that in there, and which is why.
So I'm getting it under the nail.
Yep.
And on top of the nail.
Yep. Be very generous. Then after that, and you don't even really have to work it in, just swipe, swipe, swipe. When I'm using the dropper bottle, I will put one whole drop underneath it, each tip, so that then it can soak all the way through from the top, the bottom, and the free edge tip as well. Okay, after you do that, then you're going to slather on a bunch of your lotion stick or your body balm. If you got the hydration kit, you're going to have the lotion stick.
Yep.
Be careful as it gets warm because it will want to melt in your house. So
the lotion stick tends to be a little meltier than the body balm. So you can keep that in the fridge if you choose.
Yeah. And then you get your nitrile gloves. You blow in them, apparently.
I do that.
I can't say that I've ever done that, but that's a great idea.
And then I put my thumb underneath here.
Yeah.
So I don't get the greasy part.
Yeah. I think that's kind of what I do. I don't know. I've never really sat there and analyzed. What do I do? And so then you just slide those on, and then that's it. Then you just sit and percolate.
And you go back to work. You put your dish gloves over it. You do your dishes. You clean your house.
You can use your phone.
You can use your phone.
Yeah.
It works.
Yeah. Your thumbprint won't work anymore.
No,
so
thumbprint doesn't work.
That.
No,
but
that is. So next step is Fab 5 polish. We'll go through that in a minute.
Okay.
Step 3, after you've polished your nails, we're going to do oil at least 2 times a day or more.
Right.
And so you're going to wear that manicure as long as the polish lasts until it starts to chip in there. Or if you're bored with it, feel free to take that off and start over.
Yeah.
Totally fine. When you're ready to remove your manicure, use the acetone with our Simply Soft. Fabulous product. Holy smokes. I'm amazed.
Yes. And if you don't have our Simply Soft, because we've got a lot of new people, and we realized you couldn't buy the whole store. Then what you want to do is, because acetone is really important, that you use that one and not just the nail polish removers. Those work slower. They're actually more drying. So then what you want to do is slather your skin with like olive oil or some cheap kitchen oil, and then just slather your skin and then remove your polish, and you'll still have this nice film of skin or oil on your skin.
Yep. Alrighty. Then the way that we call it, that doesn't make good English. Good job, Kirsten. Mini before mani. So every time you remove a manicure, you're going to want to do a mini hydration. So you're going to repeat the same process with the oil and the lotion stick and put your gloves on. And the mini hydration is 1 to 2 hours, give or take. Yeah. So it's just re-upping all of the oil and all of the layers in your nail plate to help add that flexibility and cement all of the layers back together so they stick instead of peel, like mine peel. It makes such a huge difference. It's crazy. Yeah. And then after you do that, you're going to wipe the tips with the rubbing alcohol or a little bit of acetone just to get that extra oil off, and then wrap them back up. It's a wrap. And then you repeat. So Fab 5, oil daily, mini before mani. Fab 5, oil daily, mini before mani. That's the process.
That's your circle.
This is the core of the nail routine. After you've done an intensive hydration, and you really only need to do this about once a month or so. It depends on your nails. It depends on your body chemistry and how much oil your body naturally produces. It depends on your lifestyle.
What do we do? Hold, please.
The mega.
What are we doing once a month?
The intensive.
Oh, intensive. Yeah, that's just
like the 4 to 10 hours.
Yeah, gotcha. Yeah.
Right. So that's it.
Some people who have really, really dry skin or live in really, really dry places, they do it more.
Yep.
Again, listen to your skin.